We continue with our hunt, a peaceful hunt that will take into the heart of the Tsavo National Park, looking for more interesting animals. Animals that hide in the undergrowth, like the antelope that gallops away and the fast-moving monkeys. We look around and also up, and we are transfixed as we notice a beautiful bird of prey just above the perch on a branch, his silhouette outlined in the blue African sky. His presence is not a coincidence. Lower down in the bushes, we notice some movement. It is his traveling companion, the leopard. This is such a lucky sighting. The leopard markings of his coat and his elegant movements find us holding our breath. Until we see him walking away towards the savannah. We carry on and we are dazzled by this immense plain of red earth that surrounds us. We are totally bewitched by this safari that in Swahili means long journey, and we now see an animal that is the symbol of Kenya, the elephant, one of the biggest mammals in the world.
Here we have come across with an elephant. You can see they are resting under the trees. It looks like they've been moving quite a lot during the night. Now they are resting. They are cooling their body down. In nowadays, they are having a protected by KWS. There before they were hunting quite a lot, but in nowadays their hunting, they have gone down. There are some countries do buying the task, but the Kenya government are taking quite seriously to protect the elephant. But there's still more poaching going on because the area is quite big.
A fascinating animal. Unfortunately, today it is an endangered species. The Kenya Wildlife Service works daily to try to protect them from poachers. This is a job of fundamental importance for the entire Kenyan ecosystem. It seems as if they want to greet us, as the entire herd of elephants suddenly decides to come out of the vegetation and parade in front of us one by one.